So in this section we have seen like how this if else works, but we have if, inside if we have another if this outer if is false then it goes to else. In the next condition I don't have any upper condition like print statement. I mean to say I don't have any print statement over there. Now I said if 1, then go to if part. So if this condition is true, then only it will check this. See, if 1, that is non-zero. I told you 0 non-zero. If 0 means false, non-zero means true. So if the condition is true, it will go inside, but this condition is false. So what will happen? This will print this line. Make sense? Next one, if 0. Main condition itself is false, so it will not even go inside and check these two. So output is, there is no line. Make sense? Why? Because this if doesn't have any else, this else is part of this if, and the condition itself is false, so it will not even go inside and check. Correct?